Hey guys, welcome to Digit.in, and today we are at the launch of the iFFalcon TVs. Now this product is made by TCL, but the brand is iFFalcon, and it's actually a pretty interesting model. The one that we have here is the 55-inch K2A, which is a 4K HDR TV, and it runs on Android 7 Nougat out of the box, which is great, and the company has promised timely updates. As soon as Google releases a security patch, this TV will get it. They have also promised Android O is coming in August. Now, talking a little bit about the panel, it's a 4K 60 Hz panel. It's a VA panel, and we are told that it can do a 4K at 60 Hz, and it is a 10-bit panel. Now, this is also another interesting thing, is that it comes with two remote controls out of the box. One is a typical standard remote control where you have all the channels, including a dedicated Netflix button, playback controls, and of course navigation keys. But one of the highlights is this Bluetooth controller that also comes in the box. It has, of course, a slightly more premium feel to it. A dedicated Netflix button. It also has a dedicated voice button along with navigation keys, volume keys. It feels a lot more holistic than, let's say, what we've seen on the Xiaomi Mi TVs, a remote control. But coming back to the TV now, the internet connectivity may not be the most stable out here, but we will do our best to run you through some of the features. Now, it does come preloaded with a JioCinema, Netflix, and of course apps like Hotstar, YouTube, Eros. Now, the one we have here is also running on Spotify, as you can see, but that might be a bit of an international version thing because the app isn't working in India. What is a little surprising is that we couldn't find the Amazon Prime Videos app even when we searched for it on the Google Play Store. So that is one thing. Apart from that, you have a bunch of inputs to choose from. You have 4 HDMI inputs apart from the AV input as well. You also have headphones out on the TV in case you have a 3.5mm pair of headphones that you would like to connect. It also supports Bluetooth from the settings, and as you can see, the way the settings menu has changed. This is the newer version of Android TV. It has Google Cast right out of the box. You also have 16 GB of storage, 2.5 GB of RAM, dual core graphics processor, and a quad core CPU, and stereo speakers as well. This is of course going to be available exclusively on Flipkart starting on the May 7th and will be priced at 45,999 rupees. So there you have it, guys. That was our first look at the TCL 4K TV. You can always let us know what you thought of this video in the comment section below, and if you have any specific questions about the TV, you can always let us know in the comment sections. We will do our best to cover those queries in our review. This is Samir signing off from Digit.in. We will catch you in another video. It's goodbye for now.